Hey, this job is so new that we couldn't even find it on the GPS. So apparently what has happened is plumber forgot to glue a pipe, leaked all over the ceiling, blew the place out. So restoration company came in, did what they do. Now we're here to do what we do. Stay tuned. We got a great show for you. Yeah, so looking up there, we noticed there was actually insulation that was taken down, so we got to put some insulation back up. I think it's just for the sound protection, but you just happen to have some right there. All right, looks like Clancy's got the drywall all cut. We got screws, we got drill, we got roto zip. What lackest thou? Like his mother, he's never talkative on a Friday. You love insulation, Clancy?
I love.
You want the factory edge?
Yeah, I want the factory edge on the inside. I'll help you with it in a second, Clancy. Yes. So while Clancy's taking care of the insulation, I'm going to be putting a little insulation of my own in here. So what happened is they had to drill these holes top and bottom, and they put these pipes in there to blow air through the wall to dry things out. Well, that leaves these holes, and I think we're just going to fill them with a little. We're just going to hit these with a little foam. Yeah, it was kind of tricky finding them. Actually, it wasn't. The scary one's the black one. Marked in the center. Yep, right where in the center where that outlet is. And just put a mark over on that side. This side here.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So you can zero in on it. Normally you'd do that with a pencil, but yeah, that works. So anyways, we're just getting the first coat put on. This is the bond coat. This is the most important coat. You want to make sure that it has structural integrity. And we're using hot mud for that very purpose. We got mesh tape down with hot mud, and I found that works really well. All right, Clancy's going to show you how to do a slap fill. Now, for big holes, you always want to slap them. That's what we mean by slap. Works great.